Before Citywide, I had a couple of stints in corporate America and had a pretty good run in both cases, but I realized that there was a little bit more out there. I wanted to do a little something more kind of for my family to set my kids up for the future if I could do that. So looked at a bunch of things and really kind of settled on the Citywide business model. People sometimes confuse Citywide Maintenance with just being a cleaning company, and it's difficult to kind of convey to them all the variety of services that we do. So providing 20 different facility services, it gets a little bit lost in the translation sometimes. So we do a lot of working on making sure that people understand that we're really a management company for facility services in the building industry, and we're a little bit different than maybe a traditional management company in that we're much closer to the action, and we stay connected with our clients throughout the life of the relationship as opposed to that interim or initial period. One of the things that I realized I wanted to do was to find a business model that included recurring revenue. And that's the one thing that really attracted me the most to the Citywide model. That and the fact that there was 50 years of experience and wherewithal that they would be able to share with me. And I've been very pleased about how that's worked out. They've done everything they've said they do and more. So it's been a very good choice for me.